Hello everyone. In today's class, I am going to tell you 7th class NCERT chemistry chapter, that is physical and chemical changes. Physical and chemical changes. In this, first of all, because nowadays in physical and chemical changes also, everyone is concentrating the statements, which of the following is a physical change, which of the following statement is a chemical change. So this chapter is also very, very important. So in this, first of all, let us see what is physical change. What is physical change? So what is physical change? Physical change is nothing but any substance which are there is a change in a substance. If there is a change in shape. How change in shape? For example, let us see in this, if there is a stretching of rubber band, in this stretching of rubber band, we have usually in the stretching of rubber band, generally rubber band is there. After we stretch with our hands, then what happened? There is a stretching. In this, there is only change in the shape. There is no change in the color. There is no change in the any other chemical composition. So that's why this is what we call it as, it is just a physical change. So this is first one. Second one, if there is a change in size. What is meant by change in size? Change in size is nothing but, in this, for example, if we are taking if we take a paper, cut the paper into pieces. Cut the paper into pieces. Cut the paper into pieces. Whenever we cut the paper into pieces, then what happened? A big paper is converted into smaller pieces. So in this also, this is also paper, this is also small paper. So then there is no change in the chemical composition. Same substance only, we are different sizes are there. So that's why if there is change in a size, again that is also physical change. Now coming to the next one, if there is a change in color, if there is a change in color, that is also leads to physical change. Say for example, if we are taking hexa blade, if we are heating, say for example, if we are continuously heating the blade, hexa blade, everyone knows that it is like a blade, is a steel scale type. If we are heating this, then what happened? It will become like yellow color. In this, what happened? There is a change in color. There is no new substances formed. This is also one of the physical change. So all these are change in color, change in size, change in shape. All these are physical change. One more is also there. There is a change in the state of substance. There is a change in state of substance. So what is meant by change in state of substance? How many states of substances are there? We have solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. So from solid to liquid, any substance is changed, that is again what we call it as physical change. From solid to gaseous, if anything is happening, that is also physical change. Say for example, we have water into ice. In this, water is a liquid, but ice is solid. So then what happened in this? Water is a liquid, ice is solid, but both are nothing but H2O only. Ice is also H2O, water is also H2O. There is no change in chemical, but only change is nothing but water from one state, liquid state, to solid state, it changes. This is also an example of physical change. Say for example, if you are boiling the water, after boiling of water, see, this is making of ice. Say for example, if we are boiling the water, whenever if we are boiling the water, what happened in the boiling of water? So water is converted into steam. Here what happened? In this particularly, liquid is converted into gas. Steam is nothing but gaseous form. So it is also the best example. So in all those cases, if there is a change in shape, if there is a change in size, if there is a change in color, if there is a change in substances, so all these are what we call it as physical change.